We got our cylinder kit and power valve kit here from Athena. We are building a giveaway bike.
Look at that. A wrap.
Some good Powder Express hot chocolate.
Get you some.
Alright guys, back indoors once again because it's cold out in the garage and we've made the house a shop now. So back on the YZ125 here. You guys saw in the last video, we got the cases together and we got the bottom end into the frame. Tonight we're going to be working on the top end, getting the top end all buttoned up. We got our cylinder kit and power valve kit here from Athena. Absolute G's for sure.
They didn't give it to us though. I had to pay for that.
But yeah, they did some really good work on these. The internals on the cylinder look a lot better than factory.
And the last one.
Whatever was on it last. But yeah, got all of our hardware here. Got some new gaskets. And so we're gonna start working on getting the top end together like I said, and getting this thing just a little bit closer to being buttoned up.
Yes.
But in the meantime of that, we've also been doing a little bit more work on our personal bikes. Logan got his top end taken apart on the KTM. This thing was a royal pain
In the bum.
to get the top end off of in frame. Let me just say that. I don't know if you guys know any tips or tricks to make this job a little bit easier. But yeah, getting the top end, mainly just the cylinder off of here, was a total pain. There was no room up here on the between the motor mounts and this other coolant line that runs through the frame. There was no room hardly to move it up enough to get it out, and we fought it for probably every bit of 20 minutes just trying to get it off of there. So if you guys know any tips or little hacks to help this situation become easier, please let us know so we don't have to fight it all over again, because that was no fun. Anywho ways, got a cylinder here out of the KTM, and I don't know if the GoPro's picking up on that, but the cylinder still looks great even after 90 hours. Yeah, 89.9, yeah, whatever. But yeah, the cylinder does still look pretty good. Now the cam lobes, on the other hand,
Whoa, pal. Pipe down.
they're starting to see a little wear. But I think Logan is deciding that he's just going to end up doing a stage 1 intake cam to help out bottom end a little bit. But yeah, besides that, the whole top end looks good. Cams are mid. Cams are still camming, but they're mid. And if you guys were waiting in the last video to see the top end together, make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video, because the top end will be assembled. Also, if you guys would, go ahead and head over to our TikTok or Instagram, Whiskey Throttle Films. Go check out a little bit of behind the scenes on this. We post on there pretty often, try to at least, and there's always something a little bit different going down there. I mean, you guys might get a little bit of early access, I guess. There are some things we do post on there that aren't always on YouTube. Same thing with Instagram. Those are typically more up-to-date progress posts for anything like this, or race related, or anything new in the world of us. Also, if you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe. I'll sit here and wait. I'll wait. I'll do it. Alright. Now that you've subscribed, go buy some merch.
He said so.
Go buy some merch.
He said so twice. You better do it.
I said it once, I won't say it again.
You did actually say it twice.
Okay, well, that's besides the point. Go buy some merch. We'll link our shops down in the description. We have an MX Locker shop and we have a Shopify. Don't have too much merch on there yet because we're just getting started, but they would greatly help us out.
There will be pictures.
We're cooking something up for you guys.
Yeah, we're working on something. At the date of recording, there's no pictures.
But
at the date of upload, there will be.
Soon enough. But go get you guys some merch because it would help us out and it would help you guys out.
Yeah.
Because if you guys have missed it, we are building a giveaway bike piece by piece, slowly. But you guys helping us out will allow us to help you out and give back to you guys with this giveaway bike. That's what we're doing it for. We're doing it for all of our lovely subscribers. Who doesn't want a nice badass shirt and a nice rebuilt 450 Yamaha at that?
Yeah.
Best in the game.
I don't know about all that.
Hey now.
I gotta school myself. Never had to rebuild two-stroke.
Power valves are getting you.
Yeah.
If you guys didn't know, we're not totally dumb. We're just new to rebuilding two strokes in this depth. It's this is a whole new experience to us. Look at him scratching his head over there.
The fuck?
I think we're gonna pull up a parts diagram real quick. He was indeed right. They go in one way.
The cup. For some reason, I thought the cup had to go like towards the cylinder. No, it goes away. See, it just goes right in. Now, if you go towards the cylinder, it looks like it goes in. Well, that's off the wrong direction. And it still doesn't go all the way down. If you put it on the other side, it doesn't go in at all.
The more you know.
I didn't know that either.
Learning as we go.
Very educated guess on logic. Always lubricate your shaft. You don't always have to use two-stroke oil, but if you live your life knowing that you have to always lubricate your shaft, you'll go places.
Another thing that you guys might have missed in the last video, we got our first sponsor shipment in from Plastics. They hooked us up for the 2025 season with a sponsorship.
So good.
They fit very good. You heard it from the man. I've been getting a few parts rolling in. Got some stuff for Christmas. A new valve kit on the way, so that'll be good. That's much needed because I need valve seals anyways. So figure why not just order a whole valve kit. Doing a top end also. New plastics, new graphics, a small handful of other things that are needed. Definitely need some new radiators here. These things have seen some better days, that's for sure. Mika Metals is also going to hook us up for the 2025 season with a sponsor. I'm going to be going with the same bars because these ones are bent just a little bit from a good spill last year. Also going to run their sprocket again. The sprocket's treated me very well. I think Logan and Alex are also going to switch over to Mika. And I snagged the subframe off of MX Locker. Looking pretty snazzy. Looks better than the one I have, I can tell you that much. Because I ended up bending this one towards the end of the year. We had to take some unorthodox measures to get it straight again just for the last race. But hey, you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes, if you know what I mean.
Look at that. Barap. A barap. Barap.
Make four-stroke noises up in this.
Power valves are in. Good.
Barap.
Up.
Hey, do you think that side goes up?
No.
Also, if you guys are wanting something really different, I haven't seen it before, but something that's also really cool. I actually found a guy on Facebook Marketplace that makes these, okay? I wanted to give Logan and his sister Bella something cool for Christmas, and I just happened to run across a guy that makes these. Yeah, he 3D prints these. It's really nice work. I don't know exactly how he builds them out, but he does some pretty quality work, I will say, for a decent price. He also makes these little stands that come with them, also 3D printed, nice and sturdy. They have RGB lights inside of them. They come with a little remote. They are tunable to an app on your phone also. Zach Garcia is his name on Facebook Marketplace. I don't know if you guys will be able to find him, but I wanted to come on here and give him a little shout out because he does some firework. He said that he plans on having his own website up soon. I don't know when that'll be, but I can keep in contact with him if you guys are interested. He might be able to send me a link or something. But yeah, if you guys are looking for something cool to get your kids, get one of your buddies, a nice little gift that rides moto, go ahead and pick up a lighted number plate from Zach Garcia. Gotta get some TikTok content too, so we'll see how this goes.
Now what you want to do is drop the cylinder onto the ground and break it.
But it just lost the dowel pin.
I didn't lose it. I know damn well where it's at. It's just not where it needs to be.
Let's see if I can multitask here, guys. Cameraman doing work.
The collection starts now. I don't know if I should be proud of that collection, but
That's an expensive box collection there. It is currently a different day now. We kind of got a little bit sidetracked on just not recording, and you guys have missed just a little bit. Not too much. Not too much. There's just some more kind of time-consuming stuff that we were doing. But anyways, we got these stator wires all redone. We're redoing the wire harness, and this is going to be a really small detail that nobody else knows but us, but we took the time to braid these wires inside of the heat shrink. So just a nice little detail. Replugged it, repinned it. Now here is the ECM. We didn't have the braid idea for this first one because we didn't think about it, but it's still got repinned, replugged. This one got braided because that's when we started to think of it. Everything is slowly coming together. Now, the part that you guys have just missed also that we have done today, I don't remember if you guys saw us put the head on or not, but we got the head on. We actually just got a spark plug, so we got a spark plug in there, and went ahead and got a spacer plate for the reed block. Got reeds that fit now. We ended up being able to use the B-Force Delta 2 reed block, but we did find reeds to fit this block, so did that. Just got done with a carb rebuild kit. Got the carb on here. That's about as far as we have made it so far. What we're gonna go ahead and do is try to wrap the rest of this wiring harness up. Came to a stop on that because we didn't have the correct pin. Well, we had the correct pins, but we wanted to make this all nice, so we cut our ends off and we got to recrimp and put some new ends on some things. We just wanted to clean this wiring harness up and rerun the direction of the wires and the harness to make it look just a little bit cleaner. I do believe from factory this ECM sits like this down here, and then I think the wires ran kind of jankety all throughout up here, but we actually, with this braid deal, we kind of shortened them up, and so now I think we're going to be able to just go right around here, tuck them up all nice, and then have almost no leftover. Also, Logan just got his top end kit for the KTM. Went ahead and went with Athena, same thing we did for the YZ125 here. While he got that, he also picked up some fork seals and a gasket kit, obviously, for the top end.
And fork bleeders.
And some fork bleeders.
I don't have any.
Because he loves to make his forks just cry.
Oh, look at that. They did send 4.
Oh, we got 4 stickers from them?
They just...
We thought they skipped out on us with
sticks.
With the sticker situation, because we only had 2. I don't know where they went, but we only had 2 in the box to begin with. So
I put them up there.
he just opened his piston. He got 2 more. So stickers.